Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your LG soundbar with a TV screen using Bluetooth. So first of all, make sure that your TV does have the Bluetooth on it, and the next thing is to look on the remote for your LG soundbar. Then click on this button until you hear a Bluetooth.
USB, optical, ARC, Bluetooth.
Then we can navigate to the menu on our TV. For your remote or TV screen, it might look a bit different. So open menu, look for something like a sound, enter speaker list or speakers or available speakers, then go for the Bluetooth audio. And here we need to wait till the Bluetooth is visible for our LG. You can also click on the Bluetooth button if you don't see it instantly.
Bluetooth connection ready.
And it should enter pairing mode. Let's actually cancel it and retry the process. And here we have it, LG QP5W61. Click on it, pair and connect it, and now we successfully connected this soundbar with our TV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.